So here's how you can see your invites over on your Temu when you refer people, and it's quite easy and simple to do. You just want to make sure you follow this entire video and then follow all the steps that I'm about to show you so you don't miss out on anything important. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app, and then you're going to be logged into the Temu homepage. Now if we go over and go to the U button and then now click on earn credits and free gifts, which is this option right here, you can see there's a lot of different Temu programs for you where you have to refer people, and when you get a certain amount of invites, then you get that reward or whatever it is that Temu is offering. So with cash reward as an example, as you can see, when you invite someone, you get tokens, and then with those tokens you can spin the wheel to get money, and that money is going to go into your current balance right over here. And then once that balance hits $100, then you can go ahead and cash out to your PayPal account as well as get an $80 coupon, which is very awesome. Now, if you want to see your invites on Temu, you have to first get the invites to begin with. You cannot see old invites that you've done a long time ago. You can only see current invites that you have done. So with this cash reward as an example, we want to click on invites to get tokens. Go ahead and click on copy link or copy code or wherever, and then promote it. And then when you log out of the Temu app, then after a while you open it and someone does use your invite, you can see a pop-up right over here. You don't really have to do anything. There'll just already automatically be a pop-up that's going to show you all of your invites, including people from outside of your country, and you can see which ones failed and which ones didn't. And after that, it's just an automatic pop-up. Then you're not going to see that list ever again. So that is technically how you can see invites on your Temu. It's just going to be an automatic pop-up, and then if you want to see more invites, you're going to need more people to invite it to. So that is essentially how you can see invites.